Our next topic is circumcircle. Circumcircle of a triangle passes through all vertices of a triangle. What do you mean by circumcircle? That is opposite of incircle. Incircle means the circle is what is this? Inside the triangle. Circumcircle means it is outside the triangle. For example, we can say this is a circumcircle, that is this is a triangle, and the circumcircle is like this. And what you can observe, we can see that the सर्कल passes through the three vertices. ये जो तीन vertices को touch करके जाएगा. See, circle of a triangle passes through all the vertices. All means 1, 2, 3, all the vertices of a triangle. Okay, clear? And for construction of a circle of a triangle, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors of any two sides of a triangle. In that, what did we learn in circle? We learned angle bisector of any two sides. Here we have to do perpendicular bisector. So I will tell you how to draw a perpendicular bisector. First we will learn how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of a segment. So firstly I will teach you how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a segment. Okay. So draw a segment of 8 cm and bisect it. So for this, what we are doing, I have drawn 8 cm here. Okay, one side segment here. Then I am going to show you how to bisect it. So what we will do, this is a hole is 8 cm. This much is 8. More than half. Half से ज़्यादा. 8 का half क्या है? 4 है. 4 से ज़्यादा. That means कितना भी अंदाज से आप आई मेजरमेंट से कर सकते हो. See, this is more than half है ना. half से भी ज़्यादा है करके कैसे भी. ऐसा नहीं कि इतना परफेक्ट होना चाहिए कौन सा भी, लेकिन आधा से ज़्यादा ले लिया. फिर क्या करेंगे, 2 पॉइंट में ऊपर एक पॉइंट ऐसा आर्क करेंगे और नीचे भी एक आर्क करेंगे. ओके, द टॉप one we are going to do at the top and another one in the below bottom. Then here from here same, you are not going to change the compass. compass का measurement वही रहना चाहिए जो यहाँ से किया वही करना है. तो इधर से एक आर्क and again one more arc. Okay, an arc here. Done? Yes. Now we got the intersection point. Yes, we got, always have to keep the intersection point properly. Then we are going to join this one. Okay, I am joining this point here, these 2 points. So once I'll join, I'll get the exactly. Then you have to complete it by arrow. I always tell you have to complete by an arrow here. Done? Now if you measure, this is a 90 degree exactly. If you measure, what do you mean by perpendicular? Perpendicular means 90 degree. आप protractor से आप measure करके देखोगे, you will get perfect 90 degree. See, you can check out here. This is perfectly 90 degree. Yes, yes. And what is a bisector means? Bisector मतलब आधा से कट रहा है. I mean it's dividing equally. So how much was the segment? 8 cm was the segment. If we check, it will be 4, 4. This side 4 and this side it will be 4. Check out here. See, this is 8 cm we have done. See, exactly it is landing on the 4. See, बराबर 4 पे है. तो ये हुआ है perpendicular means 90 degree. Bisector means equally divided this one. So this is said to be a perpendicular bisector. So once we learned it, why we are learning this? To draw a circumcircle. तो हमारे जैसे ट्रायंगल में कितना साइड से एक सेगमेंट ए हुआ, ए सेगमेंट के लिए हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. इधर से हम मोर देन हाफ लेंगे, इधर से करेंगे, एक हुआ और फिर और एक साइड से, क्योंकि हमारा रूल व्हाट डिड सेड, वी हैव टू ड्रॉ ए परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एनी 2 साइड्स. तो हम इन दोनों में से कौन सा भी साइड ले सकते हैं. मोर देन हाफ जैसे आपने यहाँ किया है वैसे यहाँ करने के बाद एक और साइड इसमें भी करेंगे. मोर देन हाफ लेंगे इधर से इधर और फिर इसको. तो जो मीटिंग पॉइंट है उसको रख के हमें सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. एनीवे, आई विल शो यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ इट. Construction of a circumcircle. Here there are 5 steps to be followed to draw a circumcircle. So the first sum is, what is the sum given? Construct triangle ABC. AB equals to BC as a 6 cm. That means AB is also 6 cm and BC is also 6 cm and C is 45 degree. See my dear, whenever some degree that the measurement is given, see that it comes this side, so that it will be easy for us to use a protractor. So C is 45 degree. So we will name the BC here. Okay, BC is 6 cm and this will be A by default and this is 45 degree. We are doing it like this. Now what is the another more given? AB. AB is how much centimeter? 6 cm. So we have written like this. So we have completed the rough diagram. Let's draw a triangle. Always the triangle should be drawn first to draw a circumcircle. So how should I draw? The base is a BC is a 6 centimeter. So here we are drawing a circumcircle. So we will draw it by hand. I like this and show it. This is the all the three vertices has touched a triangle. Now our rough diagram is clear. Now let's draw 6 centimeter. So I am drawing my 6 centimeter here. Okay, I am using a pen so that it will be very clearly visible for you all. So 6 centimeter from here to here. Okay, once I have done this, see, if you want your circumcircle or encircle to be perfect, see that you are doing your work perfectly by placing your points and everything here. Okay, done. Now what to do? We have to do, this is to be named as a B and a C here, 45 degree. So 45 degree, I'll go from here. The 45 degree I'm taking from the point C. Keep it properly. 45 degree. When we are seeing this side, I said to you, you have to see the top one, above one. Okay, 45 degree. This is a 45 degree. So I'm just, what I'm doing, I'm joining this and keeping it. Okay, done. Yes, done. Now, what is to be done? From B, A, that is 6 centimeter. So I should take my 6 centimeter on the scale here. This is also 6 centimeter. Na? So I can take it from here also, or you can take it from here. What is the 6 centimeter? BA. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक 6 centimeter देखती हूँ मैं. यहाँ तक देखो आप, बराबर 6 centimeter है. हाँ, तो मैं यहाँ रख के what I am doing, I am drawing an arc here. Okay, but this should touch here. So I am joining again this part. थोड़ा लंबाई पहले से करके रखो ये 45 डिग्री को, ताकि वो काम आएगा बाद में. So I am doing it like this. So see, it has touched this portion. So this intersection portion, and we have to join it this one 6 centimeter. If you see it, you will get exactly 6 centimeter. आप बराबर देखोगे तो ये 6 centimeter ही होगा. Okay, ये बराबर 6 centimeter ही है. Okay, now what to do? We have done this one. So our draw a triangle of a given measures. तो ये हो चुका है. Second one क्या है? Draw perpendicular bisectors of any two sides of a triangle. तो हम कौन सा भी two sides लेंगे. ये side ले सकते हैं, ये side, ये दोनों side कौन सा भी. नीचे का तो मैं पक्का लूँगी, वो लेने में बहुत easy होता है. तो कैसे लेने के लिए बोला? See, ये पूरा 6 centimeter था, तो more than half. More than half मतलब what is that? 6 का half is 3. 3 से ज़्यादा. 3 से ज़्यादा 4, 5, लेकिन मैंने व्हाट डिड आई से, यू कैन रफली, ऐसे रफ से, ये देखो ये ज़्यादा है, आधा से ज़्यादा है, तो इसको पकड़ सकते हो, इसको ले सकते हो. तो कैसे करना है? वी आर गोइंग टू कीप इट एट वन एंड. ओके, वन एंड एट हियर एंड द अदर एंड हियर. ओके, देन फ्रॉम हियर, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट again it's little bit going out, so we can it can go out. There is no hard rule, any hard and fast rule ki it should not go out. Okay, so see, it has joined here, but this didn't join, so I have to make it again to join it. So I have seen here it has come here. Okay, this point and this point. तो मैं एंगल जो इसे परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाया ना आपको 8 सेंटीमीटर का, वो वैसा मैं इधर बना रही हूँ, ये साइड के लिए, BC साइड के लिए बना रही हूँ. So I am doing it now and joining it once I have named a point. Okay, done. So ये साइड का हो चुका है. कौन सा साइड का हो चुका है? BC का हो चुका है ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. ये देखो, आप देखोगे तो इसका 6 सेंटीमीटर था ना, 6 का बराबर आधा आधा 3 आया है क्या? चेक कर लो. हाँ, आया है, 3 में आया है. नाउ फिनिश्ड. अभी तुम लोग को ये साइड नहीं चाहिए, इसमें ऑलरेडी दिख रहा है कुछ, तो हम इस तरफ करेंगे फिर. मोर देन हाफ. अभी देखो इसका भी 6 सेंटीमीटर ही था, तो मोर देन हाफ 4 या 5 कुछ भी ले सकते हो. तो अभी मैं यहाँ रख के what I'm doing, see, I'm doing here. Okay, I should be very clear this thing so that I won't have any problem. This is, I'm making it a very small one now. I'm not making a big one because it will go and disturb there. तो क्या कर रही हूँ, एक पॉइंट जो है, बड़ा छोटा कुछ भी करो, ऐसा किया, फिर यहाँ से आप देखो इधर और इधर. फिर से मैं एक और थोड़ा कर रही हूँ, वापस कर रही हूँ. आई एम डूइंग इट हियर अगेन so that there won't be any error here. Okay, now see, now you can join it. So I am joining it now. Which and which? These two arcs here, intersection. I am joining now. You have to place a point, this point and this, and I am joining. Exactly these 2 points has to be joined. So I am joining it. See, you have to join in such a manner that ये दोनों, ये बाइसेक्टर यानी ये बाइसेक्टर और ये बाइसेक्टर कहाँ आकर मिला है, देखा आपने, इधर आकर मिला है. कैन यू सी, यू कैन सी दे हैव मेट हियर. ये बाइसेक्टर और ये बाइसेक्टर का जो इंटरसी, what they said, name the point of intersection of a perpendicular bisector as a C. C means what, circumcenter. इसको हम C करके नेम कर रहे हैं. ये bisector, this, see I'll show you again, this bisector and this bisector has met here at C. Then now it is finished. See, now we have what we have to do. We have done with our work here. Okay, we have done. Then join segment CB. See, you can join anywhere. You can join here, you can join any part, but we will join it here so that we can, nor if you don't want to join it also, it's no matter. Why we are joining? Because that will be our radius here. We are joining this CB here. Okay, yes, done here, join CB. ओके, इफ़ यू आर नॉट जॉइनिंग दैट ऑल्सो नो मैटर. हम यहाँ जो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट है इसमें रख के हम डायरेक्टली ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ये क्यों ड्रॉ किया है, ताकि कौन सा भी वर्टाइसेस में आप इधर रखो या किधर भी रखो, सेम ही आने वाला है. आपका पॉइंट देखो, आपको बराबर समझेगा. सी, वी हैव ड्रॉन वेरी परफेक्टली हियर. सो वंस यू हैव ड्रॉन, सी यू कैन चेक फ्रॉम हियर. This is the join for, because we want to take it this length here. Taken, you can take this length also. किधर भी, कौन सा भी एक vertex से, इसका नाम है ये. आप AC से दे सकते हो, या sorry, this is already been named as a, we have a C here ना. So this is circumcenter, always has to be, so we will name it as a ABD. Here also all changes, I'll write it later. But you understood how to do here this part? Yes. Now what I'm doing, I'm just taking it this part from here. And see, you can see all the points it is touching. See, all the perfectly it is touching. So तीनों vertices में बराबर टच होकर आया है. So see, you can see all the three vertices बराबर टच हुआ. So we can say this is a circumcircle. Okay, see ABD such that AB is equal to BD. Okay, here also this will be D here, because why we have taken this one, C will be our circumcenter C, and D is 45 degree. We have already taken 45 degree, and this we have taken as a 6 centimeter. This also taken as a 6 centimeter. Okay dear, you can write it like this. This is said to be indication of perpendicular bisector. So this is the way how to draw. I mean how to draw a circumcircle.